Well, welcome back to the Dynodaze video. Here's the lads. FN2 strapped down to the dyno. Now, this one's a supercharged one. We've seen this one. Hello, Richard. Hello. We've seen this one before, but it's back to be completed. So let's see what power we can make. Boosty, boosty. Supercharged FN2. Today's sponsor is PBS brake pads. There's a nod. Somebody better sponsor me soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, Supercharged FN2.
Yeah. Well, we've seen this car before, haven't we?
Yeah, it didn't quite make it through the experience last time.
No, it didn't quite make it through the experience. We had some... it had a few problems when it came in, so we did rectify a few things. And then we had a problem where it kept leaking coolant from the radiator cap, and the radiator wasn't in the best condition, and like the expansion bottle wasn't mounted properly. And it's just a few little bits. We sort of said, I think sort of want to, if you're happy to take it away, or we can do it if you want, but sort of happy to take it away, finalise a few things that we're not quite happy
We were blowing
with.
Boost hoses off and things in the dyno cell, and it sort of somewhat slowed us down.
Yeah, so we sort of said, take it away, revise, have a quick look at everything, go over everything, make sure you've got everything sorted. To be fair to him, he couldn't run it up because it wouldn't run prior. So I said, you've got a base map on it now, so at least it's running, so you can check things, do that, take it away, check it, sort everything out, and then bring it back, which is where we are today. And
he was happy to do so, and he was here early doors, and we've completed on 203... What have we completed on? 343 brake horsepower in an FN2.
Yeah, which I think is really good on this setup. But again, it's the flat manifold type, so the TTS kit with the flat manifold. I don't personally like them, and they do make less power, but they always make around about that 330 to 350 mark, which is what we expect them to make. Yeah, so bang on.
I reckon it'll still go like a scolded cat.
Yeah, I think it'll still fly, yeah.
Yeah, it would decimate my 243 brake horsepower, my FN2, wouldn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of supercharged FN2s at the moment.
Bless me.
So if you've got a supercharged FN2, or you're building one, and you want any help or advice with spec, or you want to talk to us about booking it in, or in fact, if you've simply bought a supercharged kit and you want us to fit it and shoot it, then give us a shout, because we enjoy these. So
yeah, real good transformation on power, aren't they?
Yeah, beautiful. It's lovely, isn't it? Want to look at this graph?
Let's have a look at this graph.
Look at this graph. So here is our finished graph, a ski slope indeed, and that's got some power. We finish on 342.6 brake horsepower, over 300 at the wheels. What a gorgeous car, but then you know I'm biased because I love FN2s. But thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Jedi? We will indeed.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.